The believer understands that the most important thing we need to focus on is the heart. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, يَوْمَ لَا يَنْفَعُ مَالٌ وَلَا بَنُونَ إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. Allah ta'ala mentions that there's going to come a day where wealth and children are not going to benefit you at all. The only thing that's going to benefit is a sound heart. So if that's the case, how do we purify our hearts? What are some steps that we can take that are practical in order to achieve Tazkiyah? Well, subhanAllah, I'd say the first thing that's absolutely necessary is Tawheed, recognizing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is one. Why is this the case? Well, Allah ta'ala commanded Musa alayhi salam, اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى فقل هل لك إلى أن تزكى. Allah ta'ala commanded Musa alayhi salam, go to Fir'aun, he has transgressed, and ask him, do you want to purify yourself? In other words, do you want to finally submit and accept that God is one? And when you do this, when you finally embrace this into your heart, what's going to be happening? هل لك إلى أن تزكى, that you're going to purify yourself. This is the first step towards Tazkiyah. Stop being focused on, this is my goal and this is my, no. Ultimately, there has to be one ultimate goal, and that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's begin there, and we'll continue with the series inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.